Hello everyone and welcome back to Can & Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Accademia espresso machine. Now for this machine we did quite a bit of work. Starting by replacing the water pump of the machine. This water pump is located right in the middle of the machine, which basically means you need to remove these 4 screws located right here. You need to carefully lift this whole cover over here, the top cover of the machine, and make sure you get the little tabs as well, because if you don't get them, it's gonna be very hard for you to remove it. You also have to remove over here these panels. There's all the 2 screws right here. Both panels need to come off. The back panel needs to come off as well, because you definitely need access to that big area. There's a little bracket on the back of the machine. That one needs to come off as well, and that way you have access to the water pump. You still need to get to the water pump, replace the water pump, make sure everything is working in order, there's no leaks or anything, and then put it back together in order to test it. So yeah, we did all that. We replaced the water pump of this machine. We also gave this machine a tune-up, deep cleaning everything inside, deep cleaning the brew unit. Brew unit that is right there. We replaced all the gaskets, we replaced the brew valve on behind the panel of the brew unit, and we got this machine to descale. While we were descaling this machine, we find out the brew unit was having some issues getting into the home position, and that was because this little micro switch located at the back of the brew unit, to be precise, right there at the back of this panel, was malfunctioning. It was not detecting when the brew unit was in the home position, and it was an intermittent issue, as this was working once in a while, and it will sometimes get us the EO4 error. We went inside, we tested this one, and it was intermittently working, so we replaced it. And that's all we did with this espresso machine. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. We also cleaned the grinder of this machine. This was the previous condition of the grinder. You can see all the coffee grounds all around it. We did clean everything. Nice and pretty. Now, as you can see, there's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. We can also increase or decrease the crema depending on how we want it. This is on the maximum setting, as you can see, it's doing perfectly fine. That's how the customer programmed this shot. Good layer of crema, working great. Now we're gonna be testing the hot water of the machine. We will not be able to test the carafe of the machine since we do not have it, so all these cappuccino, latte, macchiato, and latte are not going to be available, as we need the carafe of the machine. We did test these sensors while we were descaling the machine, so they definitely work to the cappuccino, latte, macchiato. As you can see, there's a nice steady stream coming out of the one, looking great. And now we can proceed to test the steamer. Now that the thermal block is reaching steaming temperature, you're gonna see the steamer being activated, and as you can see, starting to build up some pressure inside. Nice pressure coming out of the machine. Excellent steam, really great temperature, working excellent. So there you have it, Gaggia Accademia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Can & Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.